Hey you guys, I am back. Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. All right, you guys, I haven't been on for the past couple weeks. Reason being, unfortunately, my dog did pass away. I don't really want to go in detail with all that, but let's just go straight into the NFTs. I just want to give you guys the reason why I've been gone. And yeah, let's go straight into the NFT. So Trippin' Ape released, really hype project. They are at floor 51. So the next project I'm gonna talk about that's upcoming is Vandal City. They're at 235.6k followers. I don't want to bring the project down or anything, but I am pretty sure some of these are bots. But the project is looking nice, you guys. First of all, the art, that is what got my attention. Art is nice from the 2D to the 3D. It's all nice, you guys. They go in really good detail. I love it. Let me go ahead and show you guys the white paper as well. So first, let's check the general information. They're going to mint at a price of 3 SOL, 10k supply, 200 for public, and 9,800 for whitelist. Damn. So that's the mint price. It's reasonable for the price SOL is going to be during that time. I do think it's still going to dip, you guys. I do think SOL is going to dip even more. They're at $40. I haven't really been much into the NFTs the last couple weeks, but I'm back now, so bear with me, you guys. I still gotta research more projects. I did find an early project that we could check out as well, but let me go in more detail for Vandal City. So for this project, it might be too late to even get whitelisted here, but I just want you guys check it out. Secondary action, I'm not too sure on it since we saw Trippin' Apes. They started like at what, 80 floor price, and they dipped ever since. That was their all-time high, so be careful now with secondary, guys. But their goals is here's the ultimate Solana blockchain bank heist begins in Vandal City. So you assemble your crews of 2 bandits and go in search of hidden SOL bank vaults on the Solana blockchain. There is to be announced SOL dispersed randomly in wallets, and they call them votes. And on their website, you're going to be able to see the exact amounts of SOL in each vote, and then your job is to find the address holding the money. Once found, all the money went in the wallet is yours to keep. So that's pretty dope. Job 2, you guys, their goals, they're gonna come out with the raffles, Vandal City games, which I'm bullish on, their own token vote. And it's always good looking at projects with staking, of course, when they have staking going on. Reason being is you always want to see staking. That's something you always want to see, you guys. And as well, what I noticed about this project, the community for this project, you guys, it's really big. It's massive. So if you go even here and you go where they hang out, people are just going off trying to grind for that whitelist. Look at that. Look how many messages in the last minute. And as you see, let me show you guys. They even have a slow chat timer at 15 seconds and it's still popping off, you guys. Check this project out. Read their white paper. Their tokenomics is here as well. So they do not claim to be a passive income project. They're focused on building a brand and a series of fun, interactive new games. And like they said, brand, we are in brand meta right now. Every project coming out, they want to do some sort of branding, which is good, you guys. The blockchain game as well. So they're trying to create fun and entertaining games using the blockchain. So that's pretty dope, you guys. Go ahead, check out their project. So with branding, of course, merchandising comes with it as well. So check them out, you guys. I'm bullish on this. I know they're going to do good. Who knows, maybe right off the bat, they could still go up, but just be careful in the secondary market nowadays, you guys. Be real careful. A lot of people dump, a lot of people paper hand. Just be careful out there. So the next project I do want to talk to you guys about is Wandering Nahavi. So this is real early, guys. There's not even a date yet. I'm gonna make probably a video about this art. Let me show you guys. Art's pretty dope as well. Not even major announcements. This is still real early. You guys could get whitelisted for this. I think this is gonna be a good project to buy in. I'm gonna go ahead and reach out to the admin, see if maybe they could give us some whitelist spots for the Discord as well. But I'm bullish on this as well, just because the art, you guys, the art's insane. I like it. So go ahead, join their Discord. I'm going to try to leave a link in the description below. Give me some time, you guys. I am back for sure. I'm not going to let you guys down. I'm going to be more active. And tomorrow's video is going to be better than the last, you guys. I promise you that. I just need more time to research. But yeah, that is all, you guys. Professor NFT out.